Okay, I'm going to start with this camera here. Today is 20 December 2023. Okay, and I've got, I'm going to start playing this tape here, right? So just play that. Wait. Well, so that's just to prove that I've got power to here, right? Then, what was it, 5 years ago, Cassette to Go, my YouTube channel there, I unboxed this, alright, so, and that one's for sale down there, right? Here's my Cassette to Go camera, and this is the Facebook camera. And then I'm going to get into here somewhere, but in the meantime, I'm just going to set this down here. Okay, so that's a little tiny tabletop type thing with bendable legs, so hopefully it'll stay in place. Just stay there close enough. All right. Then, so, all right, so now I'm going to start this camera. Okay, so it's, I don't want to show that. Okay, so it's 312. It's 1/12/20 December 2023. Okay, unboxing the big brown box, and then we're going to go here. We're going to hit the Go Live button. Okay, going live. Okay, so we're live. It is 1/12/20 December 2023. Okay, so we got the big brown box here, and got that camera going, this camera, and I've already tested this thing here. It's a Sony double cassette. I think I have a tape in here. So is there a tape in there? Did I take the tape out? Okay, so that works. Just stop that. This out of here. That's just to prove that there's electricity here in this power cord. Okay, so get this tape out of the way. Okay, that's there. Now I'm going to play back here in my ProSonic. I'm going to hit play on this. So I have some background music. Alright, in case you don't hear me. So put this over here in my tape. Hope that it won't fall. This back in your pocket, right? And then, okay, so I'm just going to move this camera over here. So 5 years ago, in that, there, you can see that. Anyway, that was December 2018. So here I've got another big round box. All right, so I got that going. And see here, anybody in Facebook? Nobody's in Facebook. Okay, but I am live. That's good to know. Alright, so here, let me just take this off of here. Just, if I can, come on. There we go. I just want to show you, I got a big brown box there, and then I'm playing this here. Way back when I had that, did this unboxing. When was this? Well, May of 2018, I think is when I did that. But anyway, so here's that. And there's my power cord. Here's the big brown box. Here's the backup camera. And here's the other backup camera. Alright, so get this going on. So I'm just going to put this back on the tripod. Alright. And, great. Okay, great. And this one, do the same thing. I've already ascertained that I got power in the thing there, so I'm playing the that camera there. I did this way back when, 5 years ago. Okay, so I'm going to replicate this. Here's those, like that, and it's just around the room. And there's the Facebook thing, and here's your tripod. Set you back up here. So great, this looks good. So here's this. I need scissors. Alright, and let's see here. I'll trip on that. that. So, okay. Yeah, this is a big, heavy thing. So, it doesn't move much. Alright, so, and it, yes, a big thing, alright. So, here's that, here's this. The shipping box is in good condition. I know what I forgot. Do I have one here? I do. Do I? No. Yeah, right there. There we go. Alright, so, without further ado, let's open this box up. Alright. So, even hit it. Wow. This came the other day. Yeah, I missed it this end. So, alright, so we don't need this anymore, maybe. Set that there. Oh, great. They cut them up. They're individually done up in here. Alright, well, who can I show this to? I'll show it like this. There it is, just like that, right? So, you see? So we'll just kind of carefully pull this thing out of here. Let's get it further back. Pull it off on the ground. So, great. So let's put this out of the way. So there's that. Put these in there. Not answering that phone. Look and see who's calling. Don't know the number. here called Beat Pops by RCS. It's on a Sony CHF 90-minute tape. Beat Pops on both sides.
Hey, sir.
Hey,
Hey,
give me a minute, unless you want to be in this.
go ahead.
Alright, so just... Alright, so here's this massive thing. Get this out of the way. Then, this looks like on the back, this looks like on the front, the door, that.
It's broken at the back.
Eject. Works, kinda. Alright, well, plug it in real quick. So it plugs in on the back. Alright. So that powers up. Try that again. Metal, tape 2, loudness. It's on medium wave. I want to put on FM. Turn the volume down.
Back to it now, I am kind of proud of myself.
Consultation.
About moving through a traumatic
Seeing that
issues, provide mental health support.
Alright, well, works. Let's see here. It's good enough for me, so you can test that, see if that works. I know what you don't know what that's about, but I turned on the sensor, and it'll take about a minute for that to go. If it goes, it's kind of a key feature of this thing. But the drawer is there. Okay. None of that works. I don't expect that to work. I think the spring is off on this door here. Okay, so these are neat. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we're gonna have to replace the belts on that. Tape deck's going to need some repair. Both of them do. We're not even going to try to play it or lose the tape inside of those, but there it is. So, and just for those that need to know, it's got the complete antennas. They're loose, but they're matched. They got their tips. Comes out. Yep, both work. Okay, great. So, it's a bit dirty. needs some good cleaning. That's all I know. So I'm going to end this here. Do you want to say hello?
Yeah, hello, James.
Hello, James.
Check out the back.
What, the back?
The back, yeah, the stand is broke. The one on your side.
What? Oh, this. Oh, that's nothing. That's just one of the feet.
Okay.
That's not a big deal. It's yeah. All right. It's just not a huge deal. But there's that. Let's see. What's in the battery compartment? Anything? Nothing in the battery compartment. The battery. This is still. Look at that. That's still good. Not even crumbling. Okay. That's good. So we'll put this somewhere. But in the meantime, I gotta. Let's see here. Can you drag this out? Put this. Slide that into the other room there for me. Thanks.
You're welcome.
So, okay, gotta put this down. My nurse is here. Yeah, okay. That ends the live video. Let me turn this thing off. Stop. That's eject. Okay. And the radio's on, right? So it's like. If I turn that off. Okay. Alright, so put this here. And let me just turn everything off. Say goodbye to everybody. Alright. Bye, everybody. Alright, so. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Let me do this. Okay. Yeah, let's get a picture of this. Alright, so it's just. Oh, we gotta stop this. So, hey, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Yeah. Come on. Close enough. That's all I need. One picture. Turn that off. Alright. Then here's my backup camera, which don't know. Let's see here. So this one here, take a picture. Right. Well, let me just stop this. Good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. This is the other camera.